Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing good. We usually hear the term tax consultant or auditor or we even happen to hear this more quite often when we complete our plus 2 and our parents and ourselves are still deciding what to do and we come across this term, let's become an auditor, or my son or daughter is doing so and so course. So in this today's video we are going to see few known facts which every student must know about the Chartered Accountancy course. So we'll be seeing who is a CA, how to actually define the professional qualification, how can you tell to the people of what you are going to do, and what are the roles played by him, and the service areas in which a CA works. So let's get started. We all know that the professional qualification named Chartered Accountancy is one of the most demanding professional qualification in the country, right? Along with its sister professionals called company secretary and cost accountant, the CA course is one of the most demanding among the student, right? But the moment our relatives or anyone hear us that we are doing CA, or they ask us, what are you doing, beta? तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? We say them, uncle or sir, I am doing CA course. The next moment there will be a list of questions in front of you, like I am having, what will be my tax rate, how much should I pay, or I am doing this transaction, is it covered under GST or not, or what will be the penalty if my firm doesn't do this. So there will be a plethora of questions in front of you. So once you are telling to a person that you are doing a CA, they give you a list of queries and expect you to solve them. And similarly, they even ask the question which I have heard, dear, what are you doing, or what do people actually do? They have a basic question that even the student have the question that only being an auditor is a CA, or only being a tax consultant is a CA, or only giving normal advice regarding any corporate matters is a CA. So who is a CA? So when this question comes, being a student, or you might have been taking the decision to pursue this course, or you are doing the course, it's important for us to have a basic idea or a definition of the profession so that we can tell the opposite person what we are going to do. So let's see the definition. So who is a CA? First thing, we need to tell that it's a professional qualification, right? They are professional accountants. They are not normal accountants who have just did some graduation. They are professional accountants. They take up very specific activities in the spectrum of accountancy. Like in the accountancy part, they take care of several activities and also other activities relating to the commerce, like taking care of the company's corporate returns or tax planning or financial management. So in the wide spectrum of accountancy and commerce, we are a professionals, means we have a particular methodology of studying, a particular methodology of working. We analyze and we can give the appropriate advice relating to that field. So we possess the specialization. And what are the different areas in which we will be working? We are the experts in what? Experts in accountancy first and audit. Being a chartered accountant, you are expected to be an expert in audit and taxation and other many matters which affect the company. But these basic understanding of the profession is that they are professionals in the field of, specialized in the field of accountancy, audit and taxation. So this is the way we need to give our answer. And then comes the profession is guided by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It's a governing body, ICAI, and ICAI is the second largest professional accounting and finance body in the world, and it is set up under the Statutory Act, the Chartered Accountants Act 1949. Okay, and this regulating body, it regulates the profession, and it has been designated as a partner in national building by APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So this is the issue which governs us. And then in giving our reply, explaining about the course, we need to definitely highlight the roles played by us. What are the roles played by us? We play a plethora of roles in the corporate world. Like first we source being auditor, the main job what we do, and then we'll be a tax expert. We'll be even doing representation services. We'll be even the auditor of information technology. We'll be a legal expert. We'll help the company to maintain books of accounts. We'll be an investment advisor, financial analyst, and so on. The list continues there. But these are the I always feel that these are the main important factors where CA are mostly in demand. And then comes the areas in which a CA serves. Like every professional has his own area in which he'll be playing his role. Few areas are common for few professionals, but in CA there are few which he'll be playing a major role, like financial accounting, financial reporting, mm, import and exports, international taxation, capital markets, mergers and acquisitions, representation service, tax planning, and other consultant services. So, whenever we are faced with the question, what does a CA do, or who is a CA? A chartered accountant is a professional specialized in the field of accountancy. Again, in that, he is even more specialized in the field of auditing, taxation, accounts, and then he plays a major role in these areas and regarded as a specialized person in these matters. So this, in crisp and short, we can have a good understanding and give the same explanation to the people who are asking the same question, who is a CE. Hope you have liked this video, and kindly subscribe my channel for such further important videos regarding CA course, and kindly share it with your friends and juniors so that they can also understand more about this profession. Have a great day.